we interrupt your program so EJ can tell you something about this video. Technically, I stopped doing Letter Factory clips years ago, but because those videos are quite viral, I guess I'll do it. But also because I'm out of ideas for the letter Y. So.
Hey, Professor, is that a letter Y?
Y as in yes.
Give me a Y sound.
Yeah.
Give me a Y sound.
Yeah.
What do the Y letters say?
Yeah.
Let's watch that clip again in slow motion. And now, back to the show. Where were we again? Oh yeah, the song.
The Y says yeah. The Y says yeah. Every letter makes a sound. The Y says yeah.
Well, that's it. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The letter Y.